Do you want to be notified every time a particular form of yours is filled out? Then you're exactly in the right place. I will show you how it's done. In the past, we had to insert a notification in our workflows to be notified by email. That's no longer necessary. We can go directly to the form we want to use for the notification. Here we go to the Forms Builder. Pick any example form, and if we now want to receive an extra email notification for everyone who registers in this example the Delving Lollipop raffle form, it's now completely simple. You have this little bell on the top left, Show Notification Settings. Click on it, then activate the email notification, and under Subject you can write whatever you want. Here you can set who this email should be sent to, always confirm with Enter or Tab. You can also enter multiple emails, and in this case the sender's name is Martin Delving himself. Then you click Save. That's the whole art. And this way you can now receive notifications for certain forms every time someone fills out your form.